This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the Accelerated Intro to CS course, and I'm on the lesson The Farmer. Move me to the pile of dirt and tell me how many shovelfuls to remove using as few blocks as possible. Oh wow, that's a lot of dirt. Well, let's see what our code does so far. So we hit run and we move forward. Got it. And we have 2 blocks used, and they don't want us to use more than 4. Yikes. And it says that 10, and I think that's how many removes we'll need. Let's just test out. I'm just going to drop a few here. I know this is too many blocks. I'm just testing it out. Let's see. Yeah, and see, that doesn't even get rid of it all, and that's 3. And I'm already over on blocks. So, if you notice, there's this pink block here that says repeat. I'm going to get rid of all of these. And repeat, well, wait for it. It repeats. It will automatically run any block inside of it multiple times. I stuck it to the bottom of move forward because I only want to move forward once, but I do want to remove more than once. So right now I should remove once, it hits the bottom, zoop, back to the top, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Once we hit 5, if there was any code below it, it would run. Let's test. Oh, and I needed 10. Okay, so it's mostly gone. Now let me change this number and I can just click on it and type with my keyboard. Let's give that a shot. Yes. Oh, awesome. Great, we got it. Onward.